Hi, I'm Brett Larkin with Yogi Times. Mudras are finger positions, primarily used in meditation. These are used to help seal and balance the energy in the body. Yoga is all about directing energy through certain nadis or energy channels in your body. Your fingers are understood as electrical circuits, which can help redirect and balance the energy or prana that's within you. Science has even confirmed the concentration of free electrons surrounding the tip of every finger. Various hand positions or mudras are applying pressure to the fingers or the palms to help redirect and rebalance the energy in your body. This restores wellness, balance, and improves concentration. It's also said to bring you closer in touch with that mudra's universal symbolic meaning. Let me know your favorite mudra in the comments below. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to Yogi Times channel for more great videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for completely free full-length yoga classes, meditations, and more. From my heart to yours, namaste.